Welcome to AI News Weekly. Here's your roundup of the most important developments in artificial intelligence this week. Anthropic released Claude Sonnet 4, a new model delivering exceptional performance in coding, analysis, and reasoning. The competition in AI is heating up fast. Chinese AI lab DeepSeek continues to break records with its V3 model, matching Western rivals at a fraction of the cost. DeepSeek R1 brings step-by-step reasoning to the open-source world. Google Gemini 3 brings a multimodal revolution. The same model understands text, images, video, and audio simultaneously, opening entirely new possibilities for human-machine interaction. Humanoid robots are becoming increasingly common. Tesla Optimus and Figure 2 are already working on factory floors worldwide, with costs falling and capabilities rising. In Serbia, artificial intelligence is gradually entering the legal and accounting sectors, automating routine tasks and improving efficiency. The future of AI is bright. Artificial intelligence is transforming not just technology, but how we work, learn, and live. Thank you for watching AI News Weekly.